It is about remembering those who have fought for us in previous wars as well, remembering their families as well.
It's all about remembering public services, the armed forces, the civilians, and all the different communities that were taken during all the wars and conflicts throughout the world.
I think it's also important as well to remember the soldiers who are currently serving as well, and them struggle for them and their families, and that's also what it's probably about as well.
As well as remembering the men that fought as well, it's about remembering the in previous conflicts that are still suffering as well, PTSD, stuff like that, and the Royal British Legion with poppy selling and stuff like that, which I've been doing in Cadet myself. The money is then put forward towards charities about helping them and their families as well to cope with life, obviously those with life-threatening injuries as well.
We'll also remember with thanksgiving and sorrow those whose lives in world wars and conflicts past and present have been given and taken away.
It's important to remember, and it's important for the youngsters, but I think it's important especially to emphasise the world as it is today, and what we hope for. The world is a different place to what it was after the First World War and the Second World War, and even after it was, and it's developed a lot in the last 50, 60 years. And so the future they face is challenging too. But at the heart of it must be this idea that it is one world, one people. We live in peace and justice. And so to do honour to those who died for peace and justice and freedom, then it's essential to remember. And then to take it away with them back to their college, back to their schools, and to think about what it is to be a citizen of the future.